Rosebay Willowherb is also known as Fireweed, Blooming Sallies, Salicon and Lusna China. It's commonly found in places where burning or development has occurred, so check waste grounds, near railways, in felled woodlands or on sites where gorse has been burned. It's related to evening primrose. Culpepper said that it was good for healing ailments of the eye, for preserving good eyesight, for using as an eye wash when dirt or grit gets in the eye, so I think it's good for the eyes. He also recommended it for treating wounds, sores, foul ulcers and tonsillitis, and for drinking in order to cure an extraordinary thirst. As such, collecting 20 flower heads and boiling them with water, sugar and lemon is meant to make a hell of a cordial. In Irish traditional healing, it's considered to be good for stopping internal bleeding, and an infusion made of the leaves was often used to treat asthma. I've been meaning to try out that cordial recipe since last year. I'm not going to promise I'll actually get trying it before these flower heads start turning fluffy around August. But if you'd like to keep track of any recipes I do try, or to share some of your own, be sure to join the Diary of a Ditch Witch Facebook group. See you there.